Hello fellas, I have another Makita angle grinder, and this one it's working. It have some strange sounds like bang or something, so I will deassemble it and try to check what's wrong with it. Okay, the gear inside looks good. Definitely we have the bad ball bearing here. That's why we have the bad sound, and yeah, everything other seems to look nice. So we need a bearing for this one, and it's a 607 bearing, and yeah, this one is definitely out of the working range, so I need a bearing for this one. Okay, I'm back with a new ball bearing for the armature. You can see that the ball bearing is very wobbly. I will try this ball bearing remover tool and the magnet, just sucking it. Okay, the magnet of armature is so strong. I will try to remove it like that. It should come out, and okay, this is too short now, so now I need to put something in it. Or I can try using this one. I think this will fit. And again, the magnet of the armature is really strong here. Okay. Trying with the other ball bearing remover. Yep, got the bearing out. And we can check that this one is moving even on our fingers. As you can see, it's really badly moving, and the new one is not moving. And now the easiest way to mount it is to put it on a table, get the AC in a hole, and of course hammer it. Got some dust out, and now we need to push the bearing a little bit more, so I will put it on a flange. Okay, got it. The old one going to the bin. Now we can install the armature. Okay, got the housing, got the armature, it spins easily. Mounting the gear housing. Okay, double checking it spins. Taking the good battery and testing it. Sounds not bad. You have some additional sound. but sounds not bad. Of course it's heavily used, but that was the ball bearing, and for now thank you for watching.